Oh, please, bird, stop. Let him get it. Be careful, Todd.
I'm not gonna be able to get it all off, but we'll get a big chunk so you can still eat and stuff, you know.
What, dog?
I would grab this dog scissors, wouldn't I? Oh, there's the doll.
Dad.
Yeah, but you can't run with scissors.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. I'll try to work some of this off.
I don't want to choke him.
Hold him right here. Got him?
Yeah, I think so.
They're gonna run with them scissors. Make sure they don't. See it now. I have to take them to the hospital over this.
What is it? Cotton? I thought it was plastic.
Either way, his mouth is shut.
Will that
because
slide
of
off
it.
because it's thinner down
I'm trying.
here?
His beak's got
Oh, bars.
Can I use scissors?
They're
Yeah, there
dull.
you
That
go.
cotton
I
up.
will.
They're dull. Yes.
I'm here, Daddy.
Okay, hold on.
Don't pull too hard.
How bad is it?
Hold on. Okay.
Boy, look how sharp.
It
Let me
is.
see.
Now, when he gets it off, I'm going to have him hold and y'all going to have to back up.
How did it get on, I wonder?
Eating something. Thought it was a fish or something.
Okay.
Me hold. Or you got to where you can see
Got
the...
it now.
Yeah. Where you can see the beak.
Ooh. Okay, everybody.
Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the rest of it.
What kind of bird is that? Can I take a picture of it real quick?
Better hurry up, because as soon as I'm done, I'm not gonna get the wish passed out.
Give me a second.
It's okay, buddy.
Hold that, darling. Get that piece of cotton if you can.
You need me to get Mama's tweezers?
Mm-mm.
I got fingernails. She doesn't.
Yeah.
That's as good as it's gonna get. Okay. He'll wear that off as he eats.
Oh, he's trying to get you.
That's all right. He'll be slow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's pissed.
We just helped you, buddy.
He don't
Go.
understand that.
It's a sunbathing bird.
He don't understand that.
Hyinga. That's a hyinga.
Okay, bye, buddy.
Now be careful. There's anthills there, guys.
Bye, baby.